All right, let's go. Here we go. Today we're over here to put the EST3 fire panel on bypass, and I have my student here, Pedro. Pedro, say hi.
Hello.
Okay. Now as you look at it, we get a close-up. You'll see on the right-hand side we have them labeled with numbers. What we're going to do to put it on bypass is press each number that's next to the green dot, and you can proceed on that. Press 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, as you look at it, they're all on bypass. Now, we're going to hit the check mark on the trouble. No, next to it. Done. Okay. And now we're going to press panel silence. There. Yep. Now, as you can see, the panel is on bypass. Thank you for being with us today.